Okay, so today I'm doing like a different kind of video. I say that every time, right? But I'm not doing a wig video today, you know, not doing that. So I spent a couple of dollars at Prettylittlething and I wanted to try on the clothes because I realized I like watching videos to see people try on clothes. So I'm just like, I'm about to buy mad stuff from Prettylittlething. Like, let me just try them on for you guys. Don't mind my wig today. First of all, this wig is giving me issues. Okay, this wig is giving me issues. Like, I'm trying different methods, you know, to lay it down, but like this wig always gives me problems in terms of laying down. Like, it's like the lace never wants to stick to my head. So don't talk about my wig if it looks crazy, and if it looks crazy, I'm gonna try to edit it out. I got this pretty little package from Prettylittlething. Don't look at my name, but yeah, it's a pretty big package. And so I'm just gonna try on all the clothes. I guess, like, should I talk about the delivery time? I mean, Prettylittlething has like a decent delivery. I ordered from them before, but I never ordered this much clothes. Like, I usually just order like one thing, and I'm not gonna lie, everything that I ordered from Prettylittlething always looked terrible on me. I ordered this white leather skirt. It was just a white leather skirt. I ordered it for my birthday and I customized it last year. I ordered this jumpsuit which looked terrible on me, like terrible. The reason why me and Prettylittlething always had a problem is because they're like a UK, European, whatever. They're on another part of the freaking globe, and so their sizing is different. And so to have to convert that sizing to American sizing always gave me problems. But now they do American sizing, like they got with the program. So hopefully these clothes fit. So the first item I have on, I have like the itinerary thing. Okay, this is like a whatever. This is like a unitard thing, you know. So it has like a squared neck. It's really cute and it looks nice. It's kind of big back here, like it's like space, and I don't like that. I would have rather it like right here. It's like kind of spaced out. I would have rather it like be like more tight right there, but I like it. I feel like it makes me look cute. It makes me look nice, so I like that. This item, I'm not really a fan of this. What freaking size is this? Okay, this, I know this is the bodycon dress, and this is like one of their $8 dresses. I don't know if I ordered this in a 6. Ooh, I'm finding it hard to breathe right now. But this is so freaking tight. Like, it looks cute, but the material is so uncomfortable. Like, it stretches, but like the arms are so tight, you know. And it is a very cute dress, you know, but it's just like, this is uncomfortable, you know. Like, I will wear this, but I'm gonna be one uncomfortable girl in this dress. Like, seriously, like, I don't know. I'm just gonna, I can't even lift up my arms in this. Like, what the hell? I would really just be one uncomfortable girl in this dress, I tell you. But it is it's cute. And then also, like, I can't bend down because then my butt is gonna show. So, but I mean, this dress is $8, right? Yeah, this dress, no, $5. What? I get, oh no, I got like a whole bunch of coupons, but this dress is like $8. But yeah, this dress is small. I wonder, I think this dress is a size 6. I probably should have got a size 8 in this dress. I tried it. I really played myself. But other than that, this dress is cute. It's just this part is so uncomfortable. I don't even mind the tightness around here. I just don't like the tightness around like my boobs and my arms. Like, I literally can't move. Is this supposed to come up higher? I don't know. Well, I really like this dress. You know, it's so cute. Oh my god, I wish I would have got this over the summertime. I would have been so cute. Oh, this is adorable. The only thing is, okay, my boobs are kind of big and my nipples are showing in this dress. So I would either have to wear pasties, like it's even coming out on the bottom. So I would either have to wear pasties or I would have to tape the dress to make sure that this part doesn't show my boobs. But this is really cute. This really looks nice. I love this dress. This is my favorite dress so far. This is my favorite item. I don't know the prices of everything off the top of my head. I'll like put it on the side how much everything is. But isn't this dress adorable? Like, it just hugs your shape. So cute. Okay, so this is my last dress. I like this dress. The material is really good and it's really tight. It's like it's one of those dresses that has the hourglass next to it, like for shape and whatnot. So it really like hugs your shape and it really like looks nice. You know, the only thing I don't like is the neck, and don't ask me, oh, why would you buy it if you don't like the neck part? It looked really cute on the model. I mean, that's why we buy these things, because it freaking looks cute on the model. But it's just like, no, I like the neck part. I don't mind it. What I don't like is the fact that it doesn't have like a zipper or a button. So it's like, do I have to put this on before I do my hair and makeup, or I'm gonna mess it up? That's annoying. But other than that, the dress like looks really nice, you know? Like, you could wear this on a date, you could wear this going out, you could wear this, you know, to the gym. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, you should put this on, you know, before you start your night, because like when you sweat and stuff, it'll stain. Like before you do your makeup. No, I don't even know, but just be careful when you put on this dress. But I like this dress. It's cute. Okay, this outfit is two pieces, two separate pieces. They're not together. It's this off-white top, whatever, off the shoulder, off-white top, and these sweatpants. I love sweats. That's all I wear is sweats and leggings. And this top is super cute. I would definitely wear this together. Like, this outfit is definitely a match. But yeah, I like it. The sweats, like, they come up to there. They don't go like all the way down. They have like a fitted cuff, whatever thing. They're super duper comfortable and they fit perfectly. So I really like that. They're really cute. I wonder what size they are. What size are these things? I don't know. But this is really cute. I really like this outfit together, and I actually really like this top. Like, this top you could wear with a lot of different things, and I like that it has that inside out look right here. I feel like that's really, really cute. So I like this one. Okay, so this is another off the shoulder top. You guys don't really need to see the bottoms because this is not from Prettylittlething. These are just some shorts I had on, but this top is super cute. It's pretty see-through, so I hope you guys can see through it, or else I can't show it. But it's pretty see-through, but it's really cute. It's ruffled and it's white. You can wear it with multiple things. I like this shirt because I like to wear clothes that I could wear with like jeans, with a skirt, like versatile clothes, because I don't wear a lot of jeans. I don't wear a lot of like dressy stuff. I wear a lot of comfortable clothes. So to get stuff that I could just wear with like sneakers or whatever, it's essential to me. So this top is super duper cute and snazzy, you know? Okay, this is the jacket I got. This jacket is super cute. Oh, it's kind of itchy. I don't have anything under here, so I'm not gonna open it, but this jacket is really cute. It's perfect for like the fall, or you know, if you don't really want to wear a coat and it's freezing and you're just hopping in the car, you need something cute to wear. It's really, really cute. It's like a crop jacket. I really like that, and it's like this, it's called a scuba coat, and I'm glad it fits because I think this is a size 6 in the US. And look at this, guys. I got this shirt in a size 6. It's a wrap shirt and it does not fit. The arms don't fit, and that pisses me off because I really like this shirt, but I don't it's just weird, you know. I don't think I got anything like the same size. Well, this shirt is a 6'2", but it stretches, but this is not. So I thought I would be okay, but I guess not. So I guess I could either just give this away or return it, but I really like this shirt, so I'm kind of sad. But that concludes, you know, my little try on haul. I really like everything that I got. Everything pretty much looks good on me, so I'm very happy about that. I got this package like a while ago, so I'm just now trying it on. I got it like 2 weeks ago and I'm just now trying it on. But I really, you know, I really love everything. I really like everything. Everything looks pretty cute and everything's comfortable, so I'm happy about that. I'm just sad about the shirt and I don't know what I'm gonna do about it. But yeah, that concludes. If you like this video and you like videos like this, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below letting me know like what other brands you would like me to try on and whatnot, you know, like, yeah. So yeah, just let me know. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media platforms. I don't really be on my Beautybyameera page like that anymore. I don't know why. I'm just not feeling it. I'm not feeling the vibes. So you could still follow me on that though, or you can follow me on my main page. I know I'm like crazy. I just have all these different social medias that I'm on. But yeah, follow me on whatever. I don't really care. No, I do care, but I just don't mind which one you follow me on. So yeah, that's it. More videos coming soon, so stay tuned. Bye.